Wow.
I know.
And his charger and I just think of
And his pet Coke and all the rest of the carry, that was
how many
like
Cokes did he have?
a lot. I was like, oh,
Is
that's a
that-
lot of weight in his pack.
Really?
Plus that big pack of baby wipes.
That's what we're laughing at, yeah.
Soup?
But now we're happy to have them.
Oh, I thought you said
And
soup.
all that chocolate.
Cup of soup?
5 bars of chocolate, the charger, baby wipes, the Coke. It was great for the charger. No.
No. He took it, they let me charge that. I charged it yesterday and then I charged back up today, so I'm super excited about that.
Yeah, and all those chocolate bars and
Oh, sweet.
he had 30 pounds of convenience store going on.
I go again, so we got, there are 3.
Yeah.
And so
You can't play
now-
trump until trump is played.
Which trump?
This
That's
is trump.
spades.
Spades are
Spades is
spades
always
is when you
trump.
play a spade on
Can't
another
stay
suit.
until I don't have any of that
Well,
suit.
until somebody on the table plays
Yeah,
a
we see if we
spade, you
took away
can't.
the suit.
Or you don't have a suit.
Or you don't
Yeah.
have a suit.
Yeah.
No, I was just pulling you out of the way so I could get what I wanted.
Just want me to shuffle and redo?
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
just since we saw that one. Okay.
Okay, I'm stressed out already. I am
So,
too,
go
this
for
false
first.
positive is stressed, yeah.
Nope.
Holy shit,
Oh.
look how fast she was.
2 false
Green
positives,
frog.
3 false positives.
Wow.
Right, we have no cards though.
Wow.
You have no cards. Can't go negative, but if you do have cards,
Okay.
then
We ready?
because you got the green frog. Because I got the green frog.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's killing it.
Oh, why did she get that one? Green frog.
Put that back.
So I
Where'd it
said
go?
this.
Just burn it.
Oh, no,
no,
it's
put it
gotta
back.
go.
Yeah, just put it in like a pile.
It's so funny. I really am sorry.
No, that's fine.
He's out
I didn't
there.
have the sign up, so.
Ah.
Wait,
Oh, I
next.
almost.
Oh,
I can say that on the.
she got it.
You got it.
Oh, shit.
All I saw,
I got
like
it.
I had the hood and I was blocking the lens up and I could see
Sign.
like the bottom. I said,
Okay.
wait,
Okay.
there's a
something
person.
here.
I'm like, what's that? And there you are, and I'm like right
Green
on it,
frog.
and he was
Green
just in the
frog.
restroom. I'm like right here, and I'm like,
I'm afraid to do this now.
I know, I
scared
know.
me to death.
It's a higher consequence.
Let's take a look out there, Fred. What's going on?
It
It's
looks
crazy
snowy.
out there.
Oh, I lose.
So this
good
is
weather. Good conditions.
taking a video. It's supposed to be our summit day, but we're held up here in the hut for obvious reasons.
We're loving this.
Yeah, taking it. What is it, about 9:20 in the morning?
My God, man.
Yeah,
It's almost like we're in Russia.
I'm backing up, like Siberia. Holy colder.
You gotta put that back
I
in.
know, I'm just staying with one here.
I gotta stop now.
Back to the hut. Oh.
No.
No,
Frog, frog.
It goes.